My new bike is a Haibike Downhill 8.0. And for those of you who are not familiar with Haibike, it is an e-bike. Comes with a Maxxis Assegai. Perfect. That is a thing of beauty. So this is my new bike. It's a Haibike Xduro Downhill 8.0. And yes, it is an e-bike. It will not be replacing my beloved pole machine, but it's an extra bike for my family, an e-bike for the days I want to go out there and put in some extra laps. And it comes with some legit downhill components. Has the RockShox 200mm boxer fork. The shock is also 200mm, Super Deluxe Ultimate. The motor is a Yamaha PWX2. Has the SRAM 11-speed GX drivetrain, and it comes with my favorite tires, front and rear, the Maxxis Assegai. I never thought I would get an e-bike, but the more I heard about them, the more I was convinced it was time. I'm really looking forward to throwing this thing down a hill and seeing what it'll do. And I'll let you guys know in a future video how I'm liking it.